So to log into Neopod, you have to go to first this site neopod.com, and you will find two different kinds of login. One with you can log in with your Google account, and other one you can log in with your Office 365 accounts and sign in. So this is the dashboard of Neopod, wherein you'll find all your lesson plans, and I have 3 lesson plans here, as you can see. So all the lesson plans, whatever you will create, will be visible here. All the activities that you will have for the children will be controlled from here only. This is the dashboard. Now first of all, I would like to show you how to create a lesson plan. So to create a lesson plan, first of all, go to create. In create, you will go to lessons. There is one more thing which is called videos. Now what exactly is this? It is like if you want to add any activity to your video. I'll come to this topic also. And if you just want to create Google Slides, like you want to create your lessons in Google Slides, then you can choose this option. But I'm going with this option first, lessons. So once you choose this option, you will get option of add slide, or you can upload your own files. Upload your own files means if you have some PDF, or you have your own PPT pre-designed, or if you have some images, you can upload those from directly clicking here. Click on upload files, and you will see the option. One is choose from your system. For example, if you'll click on this. Another is if you have something on Google Drive, you can directly upload from Google Drive, or from Dropbox, or from OneDrive. So all the options are here. Next, I'm going to just start with a new slide. So once you'll click on new slide, you will see all these options. As you can see, there are a whole lot of options: video, slide, web content, 3D, and simulations. So this is very helpful. A field trip or virtual reality kind of thing, or augmented reality, you can incorporate that also by using this. Then if you want to include any video from BBC worldwide, you can choose this option. Then if you have a sway presentation, you can click on this. Slideshow, you can add a slideshow as well. And then audio and PDF viewer. So I'll show you first how to add a simple slide. So this is a simple slide. Herein this is the title, and this is the content. So you can choose from all these designs. For example, I'm choosing this. Here you can add your own title, and then if you want to upload any file over here, you can upload file. Any file you can choose, or if you'll click on this plus, then you can add text. You can give formatting to the text using these, or if you want to add any video, you can go to this option. Again, you can search videos on YouTube, or if you have your own video, you can upload. Next, you can insert any image, as I have shown you earlier also. You can again go to upload your file and choose any image of your choice. Then Gifs. Now Gifs are moving images, animated Gifs. So for example, I want to search a GIF for cyber security. So I'm choosing this. And if I'll click on this, see. So this is a kind of moving file. Then when you are done, just click on save and exit. So here it is saving your slide. So this is one slide which got ready for you. Now there is one more thing. You can add another slide, and now I want to show you 3D. So these are 3D images, and you will find images related to all the subjects, whether it's science or social science, mathematics. So if I'll go to this option, and I'll choose Leaning Tower of Pisa, then click on done. Let's see how it looks. It has been added into your presentation as a slide. Click on this and see the 3D look. Isn't it amazing? Wow. Oh, great. So this way you can add 3D content also to your slide. One more thing I want to show you, which is PhET simulation. So click on this. Now see, this maths, elementary school, middle school, high school, I mean they have categorized it according to the levels, grades also. So it's a very good thing. And whatever you want to include, for example, I want to include this fraction matcher. Click on done and double click. See, it will take few seconds to load, and then you can see this PhET simulation will come directly into your slide. So the basic advantage, the main advantage of Neopod is that you don't need to go to different sites to show the content to your students. You can bring everything into your lesson and get everything at one place, and you are good to go. So these are the various options that you can use to include all these activities into your lesson plan. Okay, and once you are done, just click on save and exit. Give a title to your lesson and a description, which is optional if you want to give a description. Then if you want to define the grades also, you can define the grade, like which grade, for which grade you have created this lesson. Then subject, any specific subject if you want to choose, you can choose that, and then click on save and exit. You will be directed to the dashboard again, and you would be able to see this lesson here. See, it's saving and it will be visible here only. Once you are on the dashboard, you will also see one more thing, this quick launch. What is this quick launch? Now suppose if you are in the middle of a lesson and you feel like putting a quick question in front of the students, so then you can use this quick launch thing, wherein quickly launch an open-ended question in front of the children, or if you want to give a drawing activity, okay, or if you want to give a collaboration board. So let me show you how it works. So if I have clicked on open-ended question, so you can enter your question here. So I am writing a question, what do you understand by plagiarism? And I want a view about this from my students. You can add a timer, like for how many minutes you want to have this kind of activity. And then if you want to add a media or video for instructions, or if you just want to add audio, you can do that. And if you are using an audio instruction and you want children to speak and then record their responses, then you can keep this on. It will enable student audio recordings. Okay, so and then quickly you can launch it. Click on this quick launch and share this code with your children. So it's as simple as you are hosting a quiz on Quizzes, or if you might be using Kahoot, then it is similar to that only. You have to just share this code with your students and they would be able to attempt this activity. And moreover, if you have connected your Neopod with your teams, then you can share on your teams directly or through your Google Classroom as well. Or if you want to share a link or share publicly on social media platforms, you can do that. And if you want to email to your children, you can email as well. So there are a whole lot of options that you are getting here. Again, now I'm going back. Similarly, you can have other activities also in the quick launch, like draw it. So if I'll click on this activity, you can put some instructions over here, like what exactly you want your children to perform. Then upload a background image, any image you can upload, and then you can quickly launch. Now suppose if you want to share this lesson with your children, how to share this? Okay, so just point to the lesson which you want to share and then click on student paste or live participation. So if we'll click on live participation, it will give you a code. You have to share this code with your children, or you can directly share using Teams or Google Classroom. And once you will share this code, this lesson would be visible on the student's screen as well. And if you have put any activity inside this lesson, then they would be able to perform that activity also. So during the live participation also, if you want to add an activity, so that is another thing wherein you can include a web content, you can include a question, draw it, slide, true and false kind of questions. All these things you can include into your lesson plan. Reports are, when you are holding any activity, then reports helps you to get responses from the children. And this is one activity that I had held with my children. This is related to ethics and safety measures while using internet, and this was a video activity wherein I have put questions inside the video.